In a world of noise, true luxury doesn't shout, it whispers. Welcome to a $10 million Scandinavian retreat that redefines the concept of a sanctuary. This isn't just a house, it's an architectural deep breath, a masterclass in the quiet luxury movement where the soul of the home is found in the grain of raw oak and the stillness of basalt stone. Join us as we step inside a space designed not to be seen, but to be felt. This is the art of living in silence. The silhouette emerges from the mist as a geometric poem of glass and timber. The exterior is a bold dialogue between cantilevered white oak volumes and the grounded weight of charcoal basalt. There is a deliberate lack of ornamentation here, the beauty lies in the precision of the joinery and the way the glass reflects the surrounding pines. As dusk falls, the home glows like a warm lantern against the cool Nordic blue, promising a refuge that is both impenetrable and inviting. The journey into elegance begins at the threshold. Inside, the volume of the living room expands upward, anchored by a monolithic minimalist fireplace. The scent of natural wood fills the air. A cream-colored boucle sectional sits low to the ground, inviting you to disappear into its organic curves. The floor-to-ceiling glass walls dissolve the boundary between the interior and the forest, making the shifting shadows of the trees your primary decor. It is a space of profound, high-contrast serenity. Sit down, and let the silence speak to you. The master suite is the ultimate inner sanctum. A low-profile platform bed of solid oak is dressed in heavy charcoal linens, creating a tactile contrast that is visually arresting. The room is stripped of the unnecessary, leaving only the soft glow of the forest and the texture of the stone-clad private terrace beyond the glass. It is a room designed for the deepest rest, where the morning sun is filtered through the silhouettes of ancient trees. The day ends, and the sanctuary takes over. In the heart of the home, the kitchen stands as a monument to functional art. A massive island of matte charcoal basalt commands the center, its surface cool to the touch and perfectly honed. There are no handles, no clutter, only seamless white oak cabinetry that hides world-class technology behind a facade of natural simplicity. The lighting is cinematic, casting sharp, elegant shadows that highlight the purity of the materials used in this culinary sanctuary, where the art of nourishment meets the grace of design. Ascending the floating oak staircase, we reach the mezzanine. This elevated gallery offers a new perspective on the architectural geometry below. It is a transitional space, featuring a glass-walled balcony and a singular designer leather chair positioned for reflection. The high-contrast lines of the ceiling beams create a rhythmic shadow play against the pale wood, emphasizing the home's verticality and its devotion to open, airy volumes. A higher vantage point for a clearer mind. Step into a spa environment that rivals the world's finest retreats. A freestanding stone bathtub sits beneath a skylight, allowing you to bathe under the stars or the passing clouds. The walls are a rhythmic arrangement of vertical oak slats, providing warmth against the dark, moody basalt tiles. The air is thick with the scent of hinoki wood and steam, creating a sensory experience that cleanses both the body and the spirit in total privacy. Rinse away the world in a vessel of stone and light. Moving toward the entrance, the crunch of manicured gravel beneath your feet provides the only soundtrack. The landscaping is intentionally restrained, featuring architectural pines and sculptural basalt steps that seem to grow directly from the earth. Soft, hidden uplighting catches the texture of the heavy oak pivot door, a massive slab of timber that feels like a gateway to another world. Every element here serves to slow your pulse before you even step inside. A transition from the chaos of the world to the clarity of home. Rising above the canopy, the rooftop deck offers a panoramic view of the horizon. An expansive oak deck hosts a built-in basalt fire pit, where the orange flames dance against the dark evening sky. This is a space for the elements, fire, air, and wood. The high-contrast design ensures that even in the open air, the home's signature aesthetic remains consistent, offering a sophisticated venue for stargazing or quiet conversation above the world. Touch the sky from the comfort of the hearth. The home office is a masterclass in focused luxury. A floating oak desk is positioned directly against a seamless glass pane, placing your workspace into the very heart of the woods. A charcoal basalt accent wall provides a dark, grounding backdrop, housing a hidden library illuminated by soft, integrated ambient light. There is no distraction here, only the alignment of professional ambition and natural peace, encased in a high-contrast, private envelope. Your most brilliant ideas deserve a sanctuary like this. The rear of the property reveals a black infinity pool that acts as a perfect liquid mirror. The water reflects the oak eaves of the house and the towering pines, creating a seamless visual loop. Minimalist basalt pavers lead to a sunken seating area, tucked away from the wind. The backyard isn't just an outdoor space, it's a controlled piece of wilderness, curated to provide a high-contrast backdrop for moments of deep, outdoor reflection and leisure. Where the architecture dissolves into the water. This Scandinavian retreat is more than a triumph of design, it is a manifesto on how we should live. By choosing quality over quantity and silence over spectacle, it creates a space where the soul can truly rest. If you seek a sanctuary that honors the earth while providing the pinnacle of modern luxury, you have found it. Thank you for walking through this haven of wood, stone, and light.